You know what foods not to eat on a keto diet? Foods like bread, rice, pasta, sugar, and all those other carb-heavy foods. But what about the 6 best foods to eat on a keto diet? The list might surprise you.
The list might surprise you.
It might, if you're surprised easily.
If you're surprised easily, this list might surprise you.
Everyone out there is telling you what to eat on a keto diet. Things like bacon, cream cheese, anything high in fat. But here are the 6 best foods that you need to make a staple of your diet to get the most out of keto. Perfect Keto exists to bring the healthiest low-carb snacks, supplements, and education based on actual science and not Am I saying What's our brand guideline? Brand voice guidelines. I'm Chris Irvin. I'm a nutrition researcher and education manager here at Perfect Keto. I've been studying the keto diet for the last 5 years, focusing on things like weight loss, therapeutic uses of the diet, athletic performance, and overall health and wellness. And we here at Perfect Keto exist to bring you the healthiest and highest quality low-carb snacks, supplements, and education to help you get the most out of your keto diet. Okay, so now check out our product reviews to read story after story about how our high-quality products and education help people lose weight, treat disease, look and feel younger, and somewhat surprisingly, go really thick and healthy hair. You decide where. Contrary to common belief, the keto diet is not that restrictive of a diet. There are actually a lot of foods that you can eat while on keto. But for some of you who are trying to get the most out of your keto diet, you may be wondering what the best foods are to eat on a keto diet. After years of research and helping people start keto, these are the best 6 foods for the most effective keto diet. Number 1, avocados. Avocados are an absolute staple of a keto diet. They're rich in potassium, which is one of the most important electrolytes that we need to replenish on a ketogenic diet. In fact, one avocado contains 2 times as much potassium as a banana. Avocados are also rich in vitamin K and contain plenty of antioxidants. They're also high in fat to provide fuel for your ketogenic diet. Avocados can be eaten by themselves. They're best when topped with a little salt, or they can be put on top of a burger or mixed into an egg scramble. For more delicious ways on how to get avocados in your diet, check out our top keto avocado recipes on our blog. Number 2, eggs. It used to be said that eggs should be avoided for fear of cholesterol, but now we know better. We know that eggs, in fact, do not raise our cholesterol, and they have a bunch of health benefits. Eggs are a complete source of protein, meaning that they contain all of the essential amino acids that our body needs. Eggs also score 100 out of 100 on the biological value of food scale, meaning that we can absorb the nutrients found in eggs more than any other food. Included in those nutrients is vitamin A, D, E, K, and choline, which is an essential nutrient that can help reduce inflammation and improve the function of your brain. And don't skip the yolk. Egg yolks are rich in nutrients, essential fatty acids, and CLA, which is a fatty acid that can help improve our body composition and our immune system. Number 3, red meat. That's right, red meat. Despite all of the recommendations out there telling you not to eat red meat, and of course there's those headlines that say things like red meat is linked to cancer or red meat increases your risk of cardiovascular disease, but the truth is that when you look at the studies these articles are referring to, that's actually not at all what the researchers have found. In fact, red meat is one of the most nutritious foods that we can eat. It contains healthy fats, many important nutrients, and it has a complete amino acid profile, including those essential amino acids that you can't get from plants. Let me tell you a little secret. Ruminant animals like cattle possess digestive systems that allow them to eat plant material, break it down, absorb the nutrients, and harness those nutrients in their meat. Us humans do not have a digestive system that allows us to do this. So when we only eat plants, we're missing out on a ton of beneficial nutrients. Luckily, the nutrients found in cows and other ruminant animals are more bioavailable for us, meaning that we can better absorb those nutrients and put them to good use. Number 4, coconut oil. Coconut oil is made up of MCTs, or medium chain triglycerides. MCTs are unique fats that can be rapidly converted to energy, and they're the only fat you can eat to increase your ketone levels. That's right, ketones typically come from the burning of stored body fat, with the exception of MCT-rich foods. Coconut oil is now being researched for its ability to combat inflammation, as well as help treat neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. To get more coconut oil in your diet, try roasting your veggies in it, mixing it in your coffee, or adding it to your shake for a great source of healthy fats. Number 5, fatty seafood. Fatty seafoods like salmon are not only low in carbs, but also rich in protein and fat, especially the omega-3 fat that can help combat inflammation and contribute to a healthy functioning brain. Omega-3s are really important to get into our diet because our omega-6 to omega-3 fat ratio is a great predictor of overall health, and many of us are eating far too many omega-6 fats. If you don't get enough omega-3s in your diet, you may experience things like joint pain, aging looking skin, and mental fog. So do yourself a favor and get some salmon in your diet. Number 6, collagen. I know what you guys are thinking. Don't you guys sell a collagen supplement? We do, and here's the reason why. It's hard to get collagen in your diet without supplementing. Collagen is typically only found in animal connective tissue like tendons and hide. So unless you're eating a nose-to-tail diet, chances are you're not getting enough collagen in your diet, and here's why that's important. Collagen plays a big role in the health of our joints, skin, hair, nail, and digestive systems. And as we age, our natural collagen production goes down, which increases our need to get it in our diets. To get more collagen in your diet, check out our Keto Collagen. It contains the highest quality grass-fed collagen and comes in vanilla, chocolate, salted caramel, and unflavored. There are also some collagen-rich bone broths out there from companies like Kettle and Fire, or you can try boiling your own bones at home for a homemade collagen-rich bone broth. Those are the 6 best foods to eat on a keto diet. But remember, just as important as the food you're eating is the quality of those foods. If you're looking to start keto or want to get back to doing keto the right way, check out our Keto Kickstart program. This program will walk you through everything you need to start keto the right way, including things like meal plans, workout programs, supplement recommendations, and built-in accountability. And also, comment below to share your favorite keto foods.